Hi friends, welcome to Ahmatrutva. In today's video, we will talk about homeschooling. Homeschooling is a widely used term these days, and we are hearing a lot about homeschooling during this pandemic. We don't know when the schools will reopen. In this scenario, how can we continue our child's education without any interruption? That is the biggest worry we all parents have. Now, when I'm talking about homeschooling, I'm just not going to talk about academic part, but homeschooling should be a blend of everything. It is about art, culture, music, sports, and academics. When children used to go to the school, they used to get exposure of different activities. They used to mingle with their friends. They had different teachers who had expertise in different subjects. So they were, into a totally different environment. Now, how can we create similar environment in our home itself? The one very important thing that comes in homeschooling is following a schedule. When schools were there, children used to get them in the morning, they used to go to the school. There they had their different periods and they were engaged in all the activities. They need the same rhythm at home also. But at home, parents will not be available all the time. They have their household chores. Many parents would be working. Then, how will it be possible for us to provide the same rhythm and same schedule at home? For that, you can plan a schedule according to your convenience. If I talk about myself, my classes starts in the afternoon around 3:30. So before that, I spare 2 hours, complete 2 hours for my son's education for his homeschooling where I do different activities. So same way you can plan schedule in such a way you have entire day in your hand. So morning you can take them out if it's in your premises, if it's permissible you can go take them out for some physical activities, some cycling, exercise or outdoor play. So that way they are getting their time for PE. Later on when you are teaching them at home, if you have a printer and other facilities, you can get different worksheets. There are so many websites available who are providing worksheets. You can download them, you can refer the school books to plan their curriculum, and then you can teach them accordingly. One very important thing I would like to mention here is that don't just open any book and start randomly. Just spare 5 to 10 minutes time previous day and just plan something, what all things you would like to teach your child on that particular day. Homeschooling provides you a very good opportunity to work on their weaknesses. There may be certain area in academics which your child is, lagging behind. So this is the opportunity which you can use. I always prefer activity-based learning. Activity-based learning provides great support and makes education interesting. If you're teaching them numbers or something, just take your pen and paper and start teaching them. Bring some objects and just do some counting games or counting activities. If you're teaching them shapes or something, take matchbox and create different shapes with matchsticks and teach them. If you want to teach them vocabulary, follow different vocabulary game, and that way you can create study material for them. And believe me, once you will start doing it, you will yourself will start getting the ideas about it. So now let's think about what all positive things we are getting through homeschooling. The first thing, I always feel that that freedom of learning. We are not bound by limited schedule. If my child is interested in something, if he's loving that concept of maths, I can elaborate it more and I can provide him more information about that. So homeschooling gives you that opportunity to provide them in-depth knowledge, because here you have freedom to create your own subject. And one very important thing is you will be able to provide personalized attention. That makes wonder. And as I said earlier, first you need to be confident, you need to be positive, and you need to do little homework before you start homeschooling with your child. Hope you found today's video informative. If you need any more information, you can get back to me. Thank you so much for watching.